2, 3, 4, 5. Numberblocks 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Numberblocks 1. And another one is 2. And another one is me. That's 3. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time for some number fun. You can control us with the Numberblocks. The Numberblocks reboot. Weird face. Well, good. I'm 1 million.
And I am 1.
1 million
Plus 1 equals 1,000,001. Oh, I am 1,000,001.
and 1 million.
And 1. Okay. I love you, 1 million. I got home. Ow! 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 Ow!
1 million. Jump! 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 25, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 200, 300, 500, 900, 1,000, 10,000, 90,000, 100,000, 1 million. But where's the 1? It's on a 1 million.
I'm together. I'm here, and let's count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 25, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 200, 300, 500, 900, 1,000, 10,000, 97,104, 100,000. 1 million. That's correct. Guys, I'm better than the million too. Okay, let's sing. Okay, that was no. Coming out with 21.
We've had such a lot of big adventures, and everyone has played their part. Now it's time to take your turn. You'll be happy to learn this is not the end, it's the start.
There's so much more
to explore. You can take a look, now we've opened the door. When we ran out of fingers, we counted our toes. How high can we go to? If you start with a number for fun, haha, yeah! You can make it bigger if you just add one. You can do it yourself, now you know how it's done. Take the floor, there's so much more to explore.
There's so much more to explore. You can have it all.
As you've done it before, when we all get together, we make a new friend. It's gonna be magic, no end. It's a blast, you've got us on your side. Choose your mind, your fortunes will be multiplied.
You've got all of the tools, it'll take you to this time.
There's so much more to explore. Numbers are everywhere, everywhere you look. You'll find some of us on a clock, on a bus, on the pages of the book.
There's so much more to explore.
beyond the squares, the mountains before. When you know that a square is as wide as it's tall, we can make new ones. Good call.
6 for 6 is the next one in line. 36.
7 tall by 7 wide is 49.
And I bet you can guess the very next one is mine. Watch me draw. On the block draw.
There's so much more to explore.
64.
There's so much more to explore. Polka dots, potato prints, and patterns galore. So pop on an apron and brush up your art.
Painting by numbers. Good start.
There are so many patterns to spot. Take it step by step and you can learn a lot. You can shout from the rooftops.
Now give it a shout. Tell me more.
There's so much more to explore. Numbers are infinite. Numbers never end.
Keep on and you'll find that we stick in your mind and we'll always be your friend. Your friend. There's so much more to explore. You'll be in the know when you know what's in store. You can count to 100 by taking it slow. Count to 1,000,000. Let's go. Stick with us, put it all to the test. Put 2 and 2 together and you'll get the rest.
You'll be better at songs than your chums would have guessed, that's for sure.
There's so much more to explore. There's so much more to explore. Like 97,104. Can you think of a number that you never met? Do they go on forever? You bet. There are all kinds of questions to try. Tell us all that don't we're gonna say how high and how big of a portion is my piece of the pie. My oh my, don't be shy. Pick up a pencil and give it a try. We gave you a start so you know what to do. You see how it works, now it's over to you. So much to discover, so much to seek out. Zeros and heroes to learn all about. With puzzles and patterns and pictures to pick. You won't miss a moment, you won't miss a trick. Think of a number and you can be quick on the draw. For there's so much more to explore.
Your turn. Wow, I gotta sing this song. Alright, too. Oh, yes, I never would really do it there. Or do it again together. Yeah, I like it to paint. I'll do it. Ah! Look at that. And what is this something? Are doing something around. But we are face.